What's good, YouTube? I don't know what I'm gonna be playing, so I just went to hide and seek. Yeah, I mean it's a game where hide and seek. The name's in the game. So yeah, I mean I'm tired. I will do. Hopefully, I can do some more collabs. I'm gonna make more Roblox videos. Whatever y'all want, bro. Not bro, but I don't know. The girls might watch the channel. I don't know. But yeah. So, I'll be right back when the game starts. Bruh. Okay, the round ended. Dude, man really had like 3 lives left. Not three, bro. What am I? Like 3 kills left. So, yeah. Please don't be me, bro. First round, I hate being it, bro. Please. Oh, heck nah, bro. Why do I always gotta be it, bro? Dang it. Hate being it. If I'm it again, I must leave, bro. Can I see outside at least? Bruh. This idiot think he can hide? I'm going on the roof first. Alright, get me out of here. I'm going to first person mode. Oh, snap. No, and not this. I hate it. It's like this laggy thing. I gotta go on the roof first. Bro, hurry up with this clock, bro. Yeah, open the door. I go up here. Where he go? Where he go? Where did man go? I gotta go first person for this. Bro, what? You think you can hide from me? Gotcha, boy. Yeah. You sneaky all you want to. Doink. And, okay. My next place, I want to check over here. Yeah, there's definitely somebody right there. I'm gonna hide till he doesn't think I'm here. Oh, how did you get over there? Oh, this chick's just running out in the open. Don't mess with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get over here. Come here. Come here. Shoot. Lost her. Nope. Get over here. Yep, you're dead. You walked right into me, bro. There's definitely somebody over here, though. What does the glue even do for you? in the open. There we go. I'm probably not gonna catch him. I'm gonna cut him off. I need to cut him off. Yeah, you don't want to mess with me, bro. Like you don't. You just broke my ankles. Gotcha, boy. Yeah. Sit down, big fella. I mean, that's probably the only people I could find in the open or in a dumb hiding spot. Where were y'all at, though? Okay, I'm good with that, though. I'm good with that. If it's me again, I will quit. Like, I will quit. Thank God it's not gonna be me. I got a major headache. Alright, y'all. Where we heading at? Where we heading to? I already have a good spot. I'm probably gonna hide at the pool table. I'm gonna stick with Willberry, whatever. Nah, you got a dumb hiding spot. Oh, that's actually kind of smart. You gotta stick with somebody. That's how you win. He ain't gonna find me right here. Big brain time, bruh. Hold up. Check out the skin, though. Shoot. Where is he at? I'm over there by the boxes. Rest in peace. 2 of them. Bro, if you don't go. Oh, shoot. I'm over there by those boxes. I'm in that corner, bro. I'm over there. No. I'm over there. Over there, boxes. Oh, yeah, we're good, G. Let's get on this thing. Hey, Willberry. Come here. Hey, come here. Look. Bro. Come here. I thought I could go off the map. Oh! Snap nuggets. I didn't know he was right. construction mode. Okay. You freaking found me. I'm out of here, bro. I'm not dealing with him, bro. He's right there. He's freaking right there, bro. He was right there. Rest in peace, Will Barry. Cause he's dead. When I went in spectating mode, he was right there, bro. No! Bro, what is happening? He's right there, bro. Ah! Next game, please. Please, next game, bro. I said next game. Did you not hear me correctly? I said next game. Golly, bro. Okay. How, bro? Like, he's hacking or something. I really don't know, bro. Do we do a story game? Must do me a story game, bro. Dang, bro. I must just do some stupid thing, like, should I join my boy, Gordon? Yeah, I know y'all seen that video with Gordon. I must just play a obby, bro, like, I haven't played this game since I was like 4, bro. You know what, we must play some natural disasters. Alright, folks. I haven't played the match yet. So yeah. Yeah, I guess I can. What is this map? No, I know the map, but what's the natural disaster? Hey, don't tell me this is the Twin Towers now. That sounded mean, but rest in peace to those people that died. Okay, let me tell you guys this. No more videos in the weekdays. I know, today is Midnight Monday. I'm sorry. I'm not uploading a freaking Midnight Monday video. I'm not uploading a Midnight Monday video, bro. Bro, what is he doing outside? I'm about to just cut through here, big fella. And let me climb my way up. Did I just knock her down? Oh, shoot. I gotta get the high ground. Come on, boy. Get out there. Get out there. Like, oh, bruh! I died. How? How did I die, bro? And that's just BS right there. And that's just BS. And I fell too. I wanted to die after that point, bro. Alright, okay. Yes, sir. I know y'all see me with the other videos. Yeah, I got me a new look. Bruh. Bro, what's going on? But y'all see me with the new fly. Bro, wait. What's going on now? Let me just look at them. What even are they? Probably over there, right? They have to be. They have to be, yeah. Hey guys, I'm gonna make my jump, okay? Go! Blink. Alright, I didn't make it. Okay, I gotta play for real now. I gotta play for real. Dang, bro, fingers. But what's the matter, bro? Bro, please give me like the race car or whatever. I don't freaking know. You gotta be kidding. The trailer park. Must just, I don't know. I must stick with this group right here. Shit. Hey, Yugi. Yugi. Hold on, I'm over here with the chicks. And don't leave, bro, please. Hey, please, come on. Come on, boy. What's the natural disaster? Hold on, this is the boys' room. I'm heading in here, bro. Shoot. Alright, I'm good, though. I'm supposed to stay inside, bro. Doink, I'm not dead. Hold up, wait. They say I'm a parkour pro. Bro, man's just chilling, though. I'm about to do that, though. Yeah. I see the new look. I know y'all like the white suit, though. Look like a freaking detective, boy. Can we go first person next time? This is probably the easiest one, though. I'm not even gonna cap. Boxman. Look, bro, we got Boxman over here. Boxman. We have Boxman right here. We have Boxman. Yeah, I'm still walking with sunglasses. I didn't really like the other look, though. It was alright, but come on, cuz. I gotta get out this chair, bro. Like, almost everybody survived. Who's Blue Jack 2412? Hey, I'm trying to friend him, though. Like, hold up. Hold up. Okay, in the comments, give me some games I could play. I'm getting bored for the weekend. I got an all-star game coming up, so maybe not this weekend, maybe next. Alright, bro, I'm gonna just chill. Bro, we got the Twin Towers again, bro. I'm going to the left one this time. I swear that's where all the girls go, right? Left one, unless I'm tripping. It's probably about to be like a thunderstorm, bro. If it's a thunderstorm, no, again. Like, give me a real challenge. It is a thunderstorm. I gotta jump in. Oh, shoot. No, get back inside. Nope, I'm not dealing with this. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die right here. I am gonna die. Like, what do we do? Where do we go? There's no place where we can hide. Hold up, there is place. Masters right here. Yeah. So, White Shack, how's it going? How's it going? Rest in peace. You get it? Because, I mean, the body turns to pieces. Dang, bro! Are you getting taller or something? So at least, not even up to your shoulder, bro. I'm like up to your stomach. You must have do something stupid and I must have walk out. Yes, sir. I am Shaq. Because I'm the only black one. But that was so... What am I saying, bro? Like, what's going on? Huh? Dog yarn it. Okay. Yeah! Alright. It's my high school right here. I don't care about my phone budget. Bro, like... Why did they have to put a pole right there, bro? I'm not even gonna try to get up there. I'm gonna go upstairs, you know? You know what I'm saying? Oh, shoot. There's like 20 of y'all up here. Hey, why am I at half a health? Like, half health? Nah, bro. You're tripping right now. Everybody almost got full health. Especially Mr. Savage. Savage. No, what am I saying? Mr. Savage. Especially Mr. Savage. Bro, get your feathers on me. Bro, like... Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot! I'm lagging. Yeah, I think I'm safe. Hey, Spark. Guys, come on. I'm not gonna like that, right? Let's check the chat so I want to see that. I want to make friends. My friends need to join. Especially Jaden. Because I don't have any friends. Yo, what the f... Yo, you're scaring the crap out of me, bro. Spit that. Bruh. I can't feel scared. Like... I meant to... Why did I put screwed? Now Roblox is gonna think I did... You know what I'm saying, bro? Bro, like, where are my friends at? I gotta make me a video with my friends. Ooh, that was solid, that was solid. Let's just jump in the gap. I actually need to jump. You get the point. If I can't play next round, I'll be sure. Yeah. Hold up. Boys. Hold up. Be making noise. Just like the boys. We just went to the school and there was a freaking earthquake and I died. So that's that. It's gonna be a freaking thunderstorm. Cheese boss. Cheese nut. Boss. Cheese balls, bro. I got a friend him. Making my way around town. Yes, that's gonna be me and cheese balls. No fingers. Fingers, get out, bro. Like, actually, it's just me. Fingers. Fingers. Send a friend request. Then let me send a friend request to, cheese nuts. Ball. I'm not doing that jump, bro. It's already underwater. Rest in peace to my boy, cheese balls. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I gotta get over there. Yes, if I can survive. Bro, like, no one's gonna survive this. Come on, come on, come on. No one's gonna survive. Jeez! We both die. Rest in peace to my friends. How? How? Bruh. Jeez. Jeez, where you at, bruh? I swear I'm lagging or he's lagging or something, bro. Because I got 99 ping, bro. This is probably going to be my last match because I'm not trying to make no 30-minute video. You know what I'm saying? This is like going to be an edited video. So, yeah. Please friend me, cheese balls. Ooh, you look got too much merch on you. So what's everybody gonna do? Bro, if you don't get your tattooed stuff out of my way, bro, your name is Awesome Rainbow. That's how I know you're weird. Don't let me burn you right now, bro. Back up, bro. 6 feet. 6 feet, what? 6, yeah. Bro, I'm about to jump out the window if you don't leave me alone, bro. Oh, shh. You gotta be effing me. It's probably better if I stay on high ground, though. I'm not even gonna cap. Why would I get outside, though? Wait. Alright. No! I'm not doing this no more. Come on. 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 I want the smoke. Cheese balls. Cheese. I'm just lagging at this point, though. Like, bro. Bruh. I can fight through it, you know? There's my boy Fingers. Oh, hold on. Ronaldo's the best. I just saw Cheese. There he is. Cheese nuts. I mean balls. Bro, why am I weird like this? I don't even have to move. Jeez, get off me, bro. If I fall off, that's on me. If I kill my mom, that's on me. If I kill my sister, that's on her. You know what I'm saying? Look at the sky. Bro, what? I just saw, like, you float too, you know? Like, bro, don't mess with me like that. You float too. Like, bro, leave me the freak alone. Alright, so,